everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasemin. So this is my first ever YouTube video and I'm so excited. But yeah, I created this look today. If you want to see how to create this look, just keep on watching in the next video. Okay, so you can see that I've done one eye, so I'm just going to go ahead, repeat the same steps on the other eye. So I'm going to start off with my concealer to prime the eyes, and it is the Tarte Shape tape in the shade Fair Neutral. Just gonna apply it. And then I've just got a Real Techniques sponge. Just gonna blend it out. So now I'm gonna dip into the shade Fresh Meat in the Blood Sugar palette. And I'm literally just going to pack it on. So I'm literally just, I'm not blending, I'm just tapping it onto my eyelid. I'm gonna go in with cherry soda and just dip my brush into it. I'm gonna use a smaller brush and just blend out the edges. I'm gonna go back into Fresh Meat. And just go back over that colour. Now I'm going to go in with Extraction. I'm just going to go under Fresh Meat, which is the colour that I had just used. And then to further deepen the crease, I'm just going to use Coma in the palette. It's okay if it looks a bit messy around here because we're just going to go in and clean it up anyway. So it's all good. It's always going to look a bit messy at the start. So now that we've got all the eyeshadow colours packed down and blended out, we're going to go in and cut the crease. So what I'm using is the Ingot Gel Liner in the shade 94. This is honestly like the best thing to cut the crease with, and I like to use the Durline mixing liquid. So I'm going to use a flat synthetic brush just to cut out the crease. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some eyeshadow around here and blend it out so there's no harsh lines. I'm just going to go back and I'm going to start off with cherry soda. And then I'm going to dip into fresh meat. And then coma. So now I'm going to go in with my Ingot pigment in the shade Silver Dollar, and I'm just going to lightly put it right here. So now that we've got our base for the glitter, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced glitter glue on a small detailed brush, and I'm just going to pack it where we put that pigment. Now I'm going to use this glitter by BH Cosmetics from the glitter collection, and this is in the shade Pearl. So I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild H2O proof liner, and I'm just going to put a really thin line on my eyelid. Nothing too crazy. Now I'm going to go in with my lashes. I literally just got this one from eBay. Like, eBay has probably one of the best lashes I've ever tried, and they're super cheap. Like, I probably copped this for like $1. Like, amazing. If you guys are interested, let me know, and I'll leave the link. I'll give you the link for it. So I'm going to use my all-time fave Tarte Shape foundation in the shade Medium Tan Honey. So I'm going to apply this on my face. Honestly, I love like a full coverage foundation because I've got scars on my face that literally just will not go. I probably need laser to remove them, but laser is so expensive. And it's something that you have to keep going and like keep doing as well. Like, you have to keep going back and redoing the treatment. It's just, I think I'll just deal with my scars and just cover it with makeup. Because yeah, I've tried every skincare product you could even imagine. And I feel like the best thing for my skin is just cleaning it every single day with like a cleanser, and that's it. No product on my face or anything. Like, look at this foundation though. Like, you literally saw my skin and how bad it is, and I just covered it up. Like, you probably won't even be able to tell like the state of my skin when I wear this foundation. It is honestly amazing. So of course I'm going to go in with my favorite concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape. Otherwise, my all-time fave is the Age Rewind concealer. This one is such a good concealer, like for the price as well. It is amazing. It's good. But today I'm just going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, but I'm running out. And whatever excess concealer or product that I have on my sponge, I'm put on my forehead, nose, cupid's bow and chin. So now to set the foundation, I'm going to go in with my Australis Fresh and Flawless powder in Deep Natural. And then with the same powder, I'm going to go in and dip my sponge into it. And then just pat it under the eyes. Okay, so now for bronzer, I'm going to go in with my MAC Give Me Sun powder. Now for blush, I'm going to go in with my Milani Baked Blush in the shade 03 Berry Amour. And I'm literally just going to brush that on my cheeks lightly. So for highlighter, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade . Oh, there we go, Precious Petals. This, I got it from Beauty Bay. I can't speak. And honestly, this was probably under $10, and it is hands down the best highlighter I have ever used. Like, amazing. That on my chin, Cupid's bow, nose, and above the brow. So I'm just going to grab a small brush, so I'm just going to use this one just to go under the eyes. Now I'm going to use Cherry Soda. And then to deepen it up a bit, I'm going to go in with Extraction. So for some inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this pigment from Iconic in the shade Unreal. So for lips, I'm going to use a lip liner. I'm going to use this one from Huda Beauty in the shade Bombshell. Thank you so much for watching. That concludes this tutorial. I really hope you like it. If you have any other ideas of any looks I can create for the next video, just leave them down below in the comments, and yeah, thank you so much.